Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to get Snap Score up. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Make sure that you're well connected with your internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So tap on the Snapchat application and here the interface looks something like this. Now on this particular page, what you have to do is, there you can see a search bar, just tap on it. Now in order to get your Snap Score up, what you have to do is follow as many celebrity as possible. Now enter one of your favorite name. So once you're done adding your favorite celebrity on your Snapchat, now what you have to do is go back. Now on the home page, what you have to do is just tap on the plus icon, which is right in the corner on the right side. Now from here you have to select multi-snap, which is on the third step. So once you're done, tap on edit and send, which is right in the bottom. Now once again tap on send to, which is right in the corner. So on the next page you have to send those snaps that you took recently. Just tap on it and then send it to all your friends. Now once you're done, all you have to do is tap on the arrow icon, which is right in the corner on the right side. Now do the same process with all other celebrities that you've recently added. Just send them snaps and then you can add more celebrity as possible. And this is one of the method of getting Snap Score up on Snapchat application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.